Welcome to another day of I Drive Crap. Today might just be the end of the bubble, the old Honda. I am on my way to go and pick up my niece and teach her how to learn to drive stick. We're going to come along, and here we go. I would like to, in order to have a destination, to talk her into lunch. Fingers crossed. At the end of today, I think she'll be pretty proficient. Okay, let's see how this goes. So push the clutch all the way to the floor. Make sure that's comfortable.
Not comfortable.
What?
It takes a lot of work.
To push that pedal's actually pretty easy.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've had some rough ones.
Okay.
It'll make a man out of you. Here's the key. You need to push the clutch all the way in. Make sure it's in neutral. Put it into first gear. No, that's third. Pull it over. Push up. Okay, that's first. Now jiggle it around and see what that feels like. That's in gear. Okay. So pull it out to the middle. Now you can put the key in. Crank her up. Here's this. Select first. Take your parking brake off. Take your foot off the brake.
I never had my foot on the brake.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Whoa.
Don't do that. So anyway, take your foot off the brake, don't hit the gas. It goes like this, okay? Now just lift the clutch up.
All the way.
Are you on the brake?
No.
Okay, you can lift it up. You're doing fine.
Why do I go backwards?
Because you're on a hill. The clutch is in.
Yeah.
All right, put it in first. Okay, there you go. That's the grab point. A little more, just let it out slow. No, too fast. Let your foot off the clutch and just let it feel that grab point. Just keep going. A little more. Don't go fast. Hit the starter.
Starter?
Yeah, turn the car on.
Oh.
You stalled the car out.
Oh.
It's fine. You're good. Push clutch in second gear. Give it a little gas. Little gas. Nope.
Whoa, what was that?
That was you stalling the car out again. You went too slow. Well, you just have to go second gear. Push clutch in. Start the car. Don't.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm telling you what
Sometimes
to do.
I zone out.
Yeah, don't do that. You can't do that with this car. There you go. Too fast.
Oh.
Start the car.
Bad for the car.
Lots of things are bad for the car. You have to have the clutch all the way in. Start easing the clutch out. Too fast. As you're moving this up, this goes down. And
Okay,
you can just,
I've never been touching the gas this whole time.
I understand that, but it goes like this.
Put my foot on the gas.
Cover the gas, okay. Now start letting the clutch out. Give it a little gas. Nope. All right. Here. Holy Christ. We're just going to give it a little goose. So there it is. Now we're going to go for second.
Why are you going to second?
Because the car is going faster. So we went to second. And you know what? We're going to go to third. The throttling this at low speeds is a little touchy, like it's a little jerky. But once you get over like 1,000 RPM, it's fine. You're not going to learn how Heather learned.
Why? How did she?
Oh, I had her, I was teaching her how to do J slams.
I don't
So,
want to do that.
no, I know. That's why you're not doing
I
it.
know what that is.
That is... Now, this car would explode if you did this. But basically what you do is you get the car going back, like just redline the gas, put it up into first with it still going back, and it, redlined, and then just sidestep the clutch, which would send the car backwards. Tires would just light up. The car would go like this and go forward. So that's why we call it a J-slam, because you end up with like basically marks that go back and over and up. Here's what it is, Anyway, it's on you again. Okay, clutch all the way in. First gear, take your foot off the brake, and just slowly start letting the clutch out. Okay, now push the clutch in. Second gear, just do a couple of circles and get used to the car. Go to third. Give it some gas. Give it some... Oh, nope, that was no good.
What was that?
That was you not being fast enough. Jerking the car. When the clutch is coming out, the gas should slightly be going. Give it gas. There you go. Now let the clutch out. Let it out. Keep going. You're doing that. That's good.
Whoa, I'm going fast.
Yeah, and you're not even doing 15. Okay, we're going to go around the loop one more time, play around with pulling out again. And if you do well, then we're going to go out on the public street.
I don't know if I want to go on this street.
Oh, you got it.
I feel like I'm going to throw up. This
Why?
makes me nauseous.
Why?
The movements.
Well, that's because you're not smooth yet. And the only way you're going to get smooth is to practice. Do. Give it gas. Don't shift anymore. Push clutch in.
That was awful.
Yep. Go again. Perfect. Ooh, El Camino. Did you eat lunch?
Yeah, I just ate breakfast. Why, you eat
Figures.
lunch?
Oh, I haven't eaten. I figured we'd go get something for lunch.
Okay.
So where do you want to watch me eat lunch?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Well, I want to go to Long John Silver's.
I'll go there.
Okay.
But not with driving.
Well, you can drive for part of it.
Really?
Yep.
I don't feel ready.
No, you're fine. And I'll get you to a spot. Just pull over here. Okay. So we're going to go up to 3,000, third gear. We can be in fourth. And we're just cruising.
That was tiring on my legs.
Well, you're not used to it. And you're just in a parking lot. Like right now, I mean, it sucks in traffic, but you get used to it.
Are the semi-trucks stick?
Yes and no.
You ever drive one that was stick?
Oh, I prefer driving ones over stick.
Oh, really?
Yes. My personal favorite as far as the transmissions in the trucks, 18-speed manual.
I don't know what that is.
What, an 18-speed?
Yeah.
Well, this is 5. Add 13 more. You know what the worst is?
What?
When this gets real long, especially on the motorcycle with the windshield, if you're driving and you have no windshield, it just kind of goes like this and goes behind you. If you have a windshield, the air creates a pocket of like dead air here, so this goes up here, and you're basically driving with it going like this. So the other thing that I wanted to tell you that you were doing right with your shifting is a lot of people when they first are driving stick, they want to grab it and they just
hold on to it.
well, not even just they want to practically choke with it, like they want to tear it out of the floor. And it doesn't need any of that. Like you could actually shift it, one finger, 2 fingers.
No, I'm not ready.
No, this is easy.
The hill?
No,
Not yet.
you're on the top. So this is actually about the same kind of slope you had in the parking lot. Like you're on top, and you're going
that
down.
Much of a slope.
Well, no, that's going downhill. That's easy. You could throw the car in neutral.
I'd rather do it
Easy.
afterward.
I doubt it. Because what's the difference between now and after?
Right now I'm chilling.
Right,
relax.
but even afterwards, you're going to want to chill and relax. So, I mean, I get it.
This is
but
kind of scary.
Why?
The
Why?
huge hill.
No, it's not. It's not. So as far as this goes, okay, so you just a little bit of gas, start letting the clutch out, and then going downhill actually helps you to shift into the next gear.
But I'm not good at braking yet.
You brake in your car.
But not with that.
Got to learn sometime. It's helping you because now you have gravity, because the car isn't slowing down. Nice. 57 Chevy Bel Air.
There's a lot of old cars out today.
Well, it's a beautiful day. So again, downhill, you can see what's behind us and what's in front of us. Want to give it a shot?
There's somewhere to pull over if I don't like it.
Yeah, just think. This is way more comfortable than the truck.
Is the pickup truck a stick?
No, it's automatic.
Oh.
Although there was a time where I had to manually shift it up and down while the trans was going bad. A little bit of gas. There you go. Gas. Second. All right, third. Once you get up to about 2,500 RPM, shift into third, into fourth.
What's RPM?
Revolutions per minute for the engine. You're at 25, fourth gear. Clutch, 4. Clutch, push clutch in. Okay.
Now there's a car behind me.
That's fine. So you don't want to go fast because there is a stop sign up here.
Okay.
Clutch, brake, first gear.
Right now?
Yes. Okay, give it a little gas and pull out. Nope. Start the car.
No.
Push clutch and start the car. Don't freak out.
I'm freaking out
Don't-
because there's a guy behind
Don't.
me.
Ignore him. Give it a little
This is so
gas.
scary with
Go. Let the clutch out. Nope. You
No.
need to give it gas. Start the car. Okay. A little bit of gas. Come on. Let the clutch out.
Ah!
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Oh man.
Yeah, start the car. You can't freak out.
I'm freaking out.
No, you can't freak out. Let the clutch out. Let the clutch out. Gas. Second. Okay, gas. You let the clutch out too fast. That's why it jerked like that the second
That
time.
was too fast?
Yes, you just went like that. Like, you just rocked that clutch right out. But yeah, as far as freaking out, like, if you freak out, like, you have to remain calm. Because if you freak out, everything's going to go downhill. And you look at it this way. If you really tick people off, they're not going to remember your car or license plate.
Yes, it was yours.
Yeah. So, win-win. Now you can brake a little bit, go down into second, clutch in, brake,
Okay.
brake,
Oh.
brake. We're going to put it down into first. Going to go like this. So you're going to take your foot off the brake, push clutch. Nope.
Did I
Start the
stall?
car. Yes, you did. Gas. Nope. Don't freak out. Give it a little gas and let the clutch. There you go. Now push clutch in. Push it in. Push it in. Jesus Christ. Yup. See? Even he told you.
Should I brake?
Yes. You don't want to hit that Suburban. Okay. Now, let the clutch out.
Go.
Gas. You want the green light. Push clutch in. Second gear. Don't hit the Ford.
No.
Okay. Slow down. Push clutch in. Brake, brake, brake. Hopefully, you won't have to come to a complete stop.
Stop.
But, yeah, stop. You don't have any choice now. Go. Gas, gas, gas. Second. Second. Third.
Oh my god.
Guess what?
What?
We're almost there.
Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna park. Am I gonna park?
I mean, we'll see.
Maybe
It's not
you should park.
it's not a big deal. Gas. Okay, you see where that white car is? About there is where you're going to want to turn. The Long John Silver's right over there.
Now what?
All right. Now we're just going to, you can go up to the other side, spin around and park on the other side of that red car. Push clutch in. Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
You know what you're doing. You're
Am I parking right there?
You can park up there. I don't give a shit. Start the car. First gear. There you go. All right. Start the car. Okay. A little bit again. Start the car. Okay. A little bit of gas. Come on. Nope. Start the car. You know exactly what to do. Okay. Push. Start the car. All right. It's like this. It doesn't change from this. A little bit of gas. Come on. Push clutch in. You can't.
You want to park?
No, you're starting the car and you're going to park over there.
Where?
Right over on the other side of that white SUV is a really nice area to park.
Okay.
And if you can't get it real soon, I'm just going to go in and start eating and you can figure it out.
No.
Okay, then you better figure it out and get going. All right, a little bit of gas. Nope. You got 2 more shots and then I'm going in to eat.
Then I'll just sit here the whole time.
Well, all right, that's fine.
Or I'll
Start the
park
car.
right there.
Start the car because cars are coming in. You know what to do. Do it.
I'm trying.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you know what to do. Do it. Now let the clutch out slow. A little more gas. A little more gas. A little. I'm telling you what to gas.
I know.
Listen to what I'm saying to you.
I thought I was doing the gas.
But you weren't, because did you see the tack moving? Did you hear the engine speeding up? No. Start the car. 1 more shot. I'm watching people like packing up the lot. I need you to get over there because I need to eat. I haven't eaten today. So listen and do it. All right. Now push clutch in. Push clutch in. Put it in neutral. Okay, now just coast to this spot right here.
Should I brake?
Yeah. Now stop. Yank the parking brake up as hard as you can. Shut the car off. Put it in first. Now you want to take the key out. All right. Now it's time for lunch.